What is good, everyone? Welcome back to Nate Trades. Today is day number 13 of documenting my journey to becoming a consistently profitable day trader. Today is July 9th, 2026, Thursday. I'm going to be going over today's price action, the one trade that I ended up taking for the day, what went right, what went wrong, how I was able to align everything in my strategy perfectly, and get the absolute A-plus setup and model that I was looking for. But first, let's get right into market bias. Okay, here on the daily time frame, you can see we had a massive wick with yesterday's daily candle, and then we're displacing higher. Towards obviously we have trendline liquidity above, but for now we're just moving higher. On the 4-hour time frame as well, you can see we are very bullish. We're in an uptrend here, going towards this 4-hour fair value gap and potentially higher. Here on the 1-hour time frame, you can see again a very clear uptrend. So what I was looking for was a retracement down to about 50% of this leg right here, being this 1-hour fair value gap, and then looking for a long setup from there. Along on the 15-minute time frame, you can see alongside this 1-hour fair value gap, we have this 15-minute unmitigated fair value gap. So again, very, very bullish from this zone right here. And so it's hoping for a trade down into this zone and then a long setup. All right, on the gamma exposure side of things, here's a heat map for QQQ, which correlates to NQ, and then here is QQQ. So you can see here at we were sitting about 716, and then we had this big gamma strike here at 720, which should attract price. That 720 level also lined up with the 4-hour fair value gap. So knowing that gamma exposure levels attract price, we should move higher towards that, and that helped my bias. Okay, going right into the first trade setup. Right at market open, we manipulated lower into both the 1-hour and 15-minute fair value gaps, and then got immediate displacement higher. Now, I was looking to enter the trade right after this candle closed, but unfortunately, due to a trading view glitch, where you can usually right-click this long tool and click create limit order, that option was gone, and so I had to just manually enter with just contracts up here, and so I got a late fill about right here. But still, super A+, we manipulated lower and then got immediate displacement higher. My plan was to go break even at this overall high right here and then just simply target the 4-hour, and that is exactly what happened. Boom, 1-to-1, exactly what I was looking for, completely A+. I didn't really get any lessons from it, just very unfortunate that my create limit order option was just gone. I'm not really sure why. Today's trading recap, super simple. I was able to align the gamma exposure level along with just this trade, since the gamma exposure, the 720 level, was right about here in correlation on QQQ. It was right about the zone of this 4-hour fair value gap, so it lined up perfectly. Everything I was looking for in this trade, and yeah, super clean, super simple, and done in just about 7 minutes. And that is it from today's trading recap. If you want to follow along with my journey, hit the subscribe button below. You can also follow me on Instagram as well at natetrades.official. I post daily Bible verses on there as well as daily bias. So yeah, have a great day, boys. Peace out.